Welcome to the 2019 inaugural STEM Fest at South Campus in Sunnyside, Texas. We are so excited at Houston Community College to have so many young people on campus experiencing science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. As a chemical engineer and chemist and programmer, I am delighted to see these young people take full advantage of all that we have to offer here at Houston Community College. Mr. Karl has done his job well, and with over 200 young people at this inaugural event, it will prove to be the shining beacon for STEM in Sunnyside. And welcome to STEM Fest 2019.
I'm Grady Spivey. I'm partner and co-founder of Create Labs. We're here today at HCC campus. We're having a great time. The kids are really engaged and they are really taken to tech. Hey, you already know it's your boy TisaKorean. Hey, man, shout out to HCC, shout out to STEM.